Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Painting Hyun. In today's video, I'll be painting these elegant hydrangea flowers in a vase. The sketch is right here. This topic can be a bit challenging, so I sketched it in advance. I'll be using those colors: lavender, quinacridone, magenta, cobalt blue, sap green, ultramarine deep, phthalo, turquoise. I'm wetting the paper where the flower will be placed. As you can see, I apply water to the paper, not too much, not too little. If you need this sketch, pause the video, follow along with that, and then resume, okay? Then I'm going to create the flowers following steps. I will start by applying a light value of the color, then move on to the mid-tone of the color, and finally apply the dark tone of the color. So I'm taking the lavender and mixing the cobalt blue. Paint on the first flower as the second layer. Okay, I already applied the light lavender color, and then now I'm trying to second layer mid-tone of the color in the lower part of the flower area. And then I moved on to the second flower. I'm trying to little different color. So I'm mixing quinacridone magenta and the lavender. And then also I'm mixing the quinacridone magenta and the cobalt blue and touching the lower part of the flower area. What I'm doing now is trying to create the shape of the petals. However, it's not easy. It's not easy to drawing the petals because there is still a lot of water on the paper, causing the colors to spread easily and quickly. So, and another reason is we cannot see the sketch lines, right? But don't worry about it. It will be worth it. After this painting is finished, the petals shape look smooth. Okay. I'm mixing the quinacridone magenta and cobalt blue, and then take it, the color, the mixture of the color, put on the lower part of the flower area, and as the second layer. For the third flower, I'm applying the very light value of the color. For the fourth flower, I'll be using lavender and sap green. I will start by creating a light value of the lavender for the fourth hydrangea. So I'm mixing lavender with a touch of sap green and apply the mixture to the lower part of the flower. And I'd like to paint a variety of color for the flowers. Make the center of the small flowers with a dark value of the color using dots. So I will using a dark blue to Mark the center of the small petals and blend them nicely for the small petals. I'm still working on the petals and the center using same skills and steps. Mark the some dots on the center of the small petals and blend it that colors nicely. It's time to create the leaves that is placed mostly under the flowers. The leaf size is a little bigger than other flowers' leaves. Then I'm going to use the same steps as I did for the flower painting, starting with the light value of the color, then using the mid value of the color, and lastly, the dark value of the color. Remember it, just three steps, okay? And look at my brush. When I'm drawing the leaf using my brush strokes, they wiggle and push the paper and dragging the color out. Change the brush and take the different color, put on the leaf area because I want to make the some different color and a variety color of the leaf, and sometimes remove some color from the leaf. Paint with very light value of the green, and then this one is the first layer. Look at my brush and wiggle my brush and push the paper and drag it out, drag the color out, okay? Yeah, you should try my brush stroke, okay? For today's painting, we have to do a lot. So many flowers and so a lot of leaves. So we have to do many things. But I want you to have fun, okay? I'm adding on the small flower with the lavender color. I tried for this painting bluishy hydrangea and purplish hydrangea, and I'm mixing lavender and sap green. So I very a different color and different shape of the flowers. And draw some veins on the leaves. And the leaves look old using various colors. So try not just green, okay? When you draw the veins, your brush move very quickly and softly. And then I got some very thick and dark color, draw some veins, and then uh, put on the edge of the leaf area. Okay, next I'm going to paint a base using Phthalo turquoise from Daniel Smith, this color. As you already know the steps, first wet the paper, second apply light value of the color, third add the mid-tone, and lastly add the dark tone of the color. And then finally add some depths in the painting wherever you want, okay? This Phthalo turquoise color is looks so beautiful. But if you don't have this color, you can mix viridian and cobalt blue or viridian mix ultramarine tip. It, you can get some similar color with this, okay? To eliminate simplicity, so paint in a horizontal direction and add Qunacridone magenta to the lower part of the base to use different colors and create various feeling. Open your imagination and you can add any colors. And then today we have to do a lot of things to do, okay? Yeah, so let's have fun. I hope you have enjoying this time. And we are going to paint the table of wooden pattern starting now. So we will paint it in the exact same order I used before to flower and leaves. So with the paper and apply a light color, add a mid-tone of the color and add the dark tone of the color. And finally work on the final detail, and that's it. Now I'm painting the shadow of the uh, bucket base, flower base. draw the pattern with light bluish color. Using a dark blue will make it too pops out and unnatural. So I'm using very light value of the bluish color. And also we are going to use a splattering for a more natural and organic look. So lastly, we will add floral shadows for final touches. I want to do a final touch up on the ground, on the table. So I make the dark value of the shadow with the dark blue and then touching the quinacridone magenta on the shadow. And then I want to add some shadow from the upper flower. So I got a bluish color put on the that flower area. You cannot find that shadow exactly same shape, but then just we can make the dark area under the flower area. I'm trying to another layer the shadow from the leaf on the base with the dark bluish color. Our painting is almost complete. Before you go, don't forget subscribe and hit the like button and give me a comment. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye.